guys, so today I have slime and I will be playing with it. But look at it, I made this slime a year ago. Oh yeah, I'm in my microphone with this, so yeah, oh geez, some beads fell out. It's probably my best slime. And I am really bored, guys. So yeah. Anyways, bye guys. Please watch the rest of my videos and go to my channel.